I am Josiah Banjas, MedTech student from Med 221. I'm here to perform proper hand washing. For our materials, liquid soap, paper or tissue towel, and trash can. Stand a few inches from the sink to avoid contamination. Remove any personal items such as jewelry. Turn on the faucet and place under the running water. Use soap and work up ladder to ensure that hand surfaces are reached. Rub hands palm to palm. Right palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with finger interlaced. Back of the fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Rotational rubbing of the left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. Rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with the clasped fingers of the right hand with left palm and vice versa. Apply a little friction and rub hands together for another 15 seconds. Rub the wrist. Rinse the hands from the wrist to the fingertips using a downward motion. Dry hands thoroughly using a single-use clean paper towel. Use the paper towel to close the faucet. Hand rubbing by using alcohol. Rub hands palm to palm. Right palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with finger interlaced. Back of the fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with clasped fingers of right hand with left palm and vice versa. Your hands are now safe.